So this piece of property is perfect for somebody who wants to have a nice farm, very private, with wonderful access. As you can see, it's beautiful rolling farmland. There's a little bit of woods with it, so if you want to have cows or about any kind of critter, you've got plenty of room for that. 142 acres. It's hard to believe that you can even come up with that kind of land in this region of the state. You are about halfway between Charleston and Parkersburg, so you can have the husband or wife run to Parkersburg and the other one have a job in Charleston. Easy commute. The interstates are uncrowded and just very easy commutes. As you can see, the rolling pasture fields in this property is skirted by a year-round stream, and then you'll eventually see you can see a stream there. Eventually you're going to be able to see a pond that's located on the property. There's a nice barn there, nice tillable ground if you want to do some be more self-reliant, be able to sell some vegetables, put up your own vegetables. I'm flying towards the state maintained road here right now, which is going to be right past that plowed up like area there. That's where the state road is. If you still need to work, there are several plants that are being put in this area here. Most of them within about a half-hour drive of this location. If you want to be a little higher on the hill for a great view, the state road comes from high and then rolls down into that valley there, so you can get an easy pick of whether you want to be down low or up higher for the view. This nice field here would probably be one of the best spots to pick from. It's right there. You can see it. It rolls real nice. Off to the right is where the state road is. There is electricity at the state road, so that's handy. Then of course hunting. There's lots and lots of deer, lots and lots of turkey, small game, about anything you can think of there to, of course, help provide for the table. And the Ohio River is just a very short drive away, so if you like to water ski and do that sort of thing, or if you want to fish, tons of sport fishing there. Oh, there's that pond. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. That pond is strategically located there for the pasture fields. So if you're definitely interested in having a farm, be more self-reliant, be in a very secluded area, but yet not too far from the cities, if you need to go there, then this is definitely for you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that way you can be the first to see some of our videos. And of course, we've got several other videos on YouTube as well. On my website, www.oldfences.com. With that site, we have topographical maps, aerial photos, directions that you can trust on how to find these properties. Right there is the state road that I was talking about. Great state road getting into it. Just a small state road, not a whole lot of traffic or anything on it. So anyway, give Mike Greenlee a call. I'm the broker, or one of my great agents, and my cell phone number is 304-377-3758. The office number is 304-927-4400. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.